Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to be doing some white and red acrylic nails. I'm going to be doing the same that I've done on the small nail on my thumb. So this nail has a lot of glitters in it, and then it has the red stamping on top. Now what I'm going to do is, if you've seen my past videos, you've seen how I apply glitter. I dip the brush into clear acrylic and then dip it into the glitter and then apply it on the nail. But in today's video I'm going to show another way where you can pre-mix it. That's what I'm going to be doing first. So the white I'm going to be using is from Valentino. It's called Luxe White. I'm going to be using a tiny amount of a Glam and Glits acrylic, which is called Nova. Pink Flame micro shards from Glitter Planet. I'll be using a little bit of this and a little bit of this glitter mix, which is called White Rabbit from Glitter Planet. I'm going to be just mixing it in this little container. I'm going to be using a cuticle pusher to scoop out the acrylic and the glitters. So beginning with Luxe White, I'm going to do 4 scoops. Maybe 5. Okay, 6 scoops of the white. This is Nova from Glam and Glits. I'll be doing 1 scoop. This is White Rabbit. I'm just going to use half a scoop. And this is Pink Flame. I'm going to be using half a scoop of this. Now I'm just going to put the lid on and give it a good shake. If I was going to do enough for the full set, I would do more, but since it's only one nail, I'll be using very small amounts. The more you use, the more the amount at the end will be made. So I'm going to be using a tiny amount of each to make a mixture just for one nail. But you can do this and double or triple the amount to make a larger amount to do a full set. And that's what it looks like. It doesn't look like much, but we'll get to see it when I'm going to use it. So now I'm just going to apply my form. After fitting the form on, I'm going to apply prep and then primer on my nail and begin with the acrylic application. I'm going to be doing a coffin shaped nail, and I'm just going to use Luxe White to sculpt out the base. Now I'm just going to remove the form and start filing it into shape just to make it a neat shape so it's easier for the next step. So now I'm just going to use the acrylic mix that I made in the beginning and apply that over the nail. Now I'm just going to wait for the acrylic to set and then I'm going to clear cap it with a very thin layer of clear acrylic, so when I'm filing I don't file the glitter. So I just completely forgot about the red part, about the part where I applied the red glitter. So I just filed a chunk out of the middle of the nail and I'm going to use clear acrylic to stick the red glitter in an S, in a diagonal kind of line in an S shape, and then clear cap it with clear acrylic. Now I'm just going to let this dry and I'm going to start the filing and then apply the top coat. I'm going to use Missu's No Wipe Gel Top Coat. And that's it all done. I've not sculpted coffin nails in a while, so I'm quite happy with how they turned out. I wanted to continue the red and white from this hand on this hand. I hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you all in the next one. Love you all. Bye.